Welcome! In this video we will discuss how to use the AI boundary and obstacle tools to outline agricultural fields quickly. To start, click Boundaries in the left sidebar. Next, select AI Boundary. Select the desired layer and zoom so the entire field you want to outline is visible in the interface. Left-click to identify the areas you want included inside the boundaries. Right-click outside of the area of interest to discard these areas. Do not zoom in and click, otherwise Pix40 Fields will reduce the boundaries based on the currently visible area. You can adjust how coarsely Pix40 Fields identifies the boundaries using the slider here. You can create multiple boundaries using this tool if necessary. To add additional boundaries, tap the Tab key on the keyboard and identify any additional areas to be included. You can also merge boundaries depending on your requirements. Once satisfied, click the check mark here to save the boundary. You can modify the boundary's name and confirm the total area. Click Save to add the boundary to the project. To modify the boundary, click on the icon here. Now you can manually include or remove areas of the field that were not included in the initial boundary. To add additional vertices, click on one of the plus icons. To move a vertex, left-click and drag it to the desired location. Depending on your requirements, you can add a whole or sub-polygon to the field boundaries. Click the check mark to save the modifications. Click Save. To trim the desired layer based on this boundary, click Trim in the right sidebar, select the desired layers, and click Trim. To add an AI obstacle, click Boundaries and select AI Obstacle. Left-click on the obstacle to outline it. You can add or discard additional points by left or right-clicking around the obstacle. To add additional obstacles, tap Tab on the keyboard and continue selecting the obstacles. Tap 1 on the keyboard to increase the buffer. Adding a buffer around obstacles is recommended to ensure the safety of the farm machinery. To accept the added obstacles to the project, click the check mark and then click Save. The interface will cover any areas identified as obstacles with a pink mesh. We hope this tutorial video demonstrating the Pix40 Fields AI boundaries and obstacles tools was helpful. See you in the next video.